This is a fucking thunderstorm. Oh shit, it's coming!
It's coming, Granddad, it's coming!
It's coming!
Ah! Stop! Ah! No, stop! Make it stop, please!
You
Please!
can't.
Please make it stop! Ah! No! Stop! Oh my god, please make it stop! Stop, make it stop, I need that, please! It's going on! No, no, no! No! Stop! No! Oh my god! Oh gosh! Oh my god, no! Oh my god! Ah, fuck! Shit!
Oh my god!
Shit! Oh, did you see that?
Fuck yeah!
Have you never been in one?
No!
I'm fucking hiding!
I think I was getting one, but not over me.
What the fuck? No! They're two in!
Oh, fuck. That's it.
This is some voodoo shit. Oh, Megan. Hold on. Megan, look. Megan, look down at the window handle. No. Megan! Megan! Megan!
That window up! Wind that window up!
Megan, you ditch. You can get arrested. Fucking hell. Oh my god.
Is there one up here? We're moving backwards. Moving. Oh no, it's not. If you thinking we're moving backwards.
You will do because the machine's moving. Oh, it's fucking hot in here.
Oh, much better.
More water, seriously.
Look, where you open that window, it's got all the dash fucking wet.